Don't hold back. There was once a company whose CEO was very strict and often disciplined the workers for their mistakes or perceived lack of progress. On any day, as the employees came into work, they saw a sign on the door that read, "Yesterday, the person who has been holding you back from succeeding in this company passed away. Please gather for a funeral service in the assembly room." While the employees were saddened for the family of their CEO, they were also intrigued at the prospect of being able to now move up within the company and become more successful. Upon entering the assembly room, many employees were surprised to see the CEO was, in fact, present. They wondered among themselves, if it wasn't him who was holding us back from being successful, who was it? Who has died? One by one, the employees approached the coffin, and upon looking inside, each was quite surprised. They didn't understand what they saw. In the coffin, there was simply a mirror. So when each employee looked in to find out who had been holding them back from being successful, everyone saw themselves. Next to the mirror, there was a sign that read, "The only person who's able to limit your growth is you." While you are the only person who can influence your success. Your life changes when you break through your limiting beliefs and realize that you're in control of your life. The most influential relationship you can have is the relationship you have with yourself. Now you know who has been holding you back from living up to your true potential. Are you going to keep allowing that person to hold you back? The moral: you can't blame anyone else if you're not living up to your potential. You can't let other people get you down about mistakes you make or their negative perception of your efforts. While you have to take personal responsibility for your work, both the good and the bad, and be proactive about making any necessary adjustments. Please like, share, and follow for everyday motivation. Thank you.